Hi, and welcome to this Monday.com tutorial from enable.services. To invite someone to view a board, head to the invite button in the top right corner of a board, and a pop-up will ask you who you would like to invite. For people who are already a member on the account, type the name of the person in the search field, and they will appear in the field. Click on them to have them added to the board. This will make the board viewable to that person if the board is set to private. You can also set them as an owner by clicking on the crown. For people who are not a member on the account, click Invite a new member by email and type in the email of the person you want to invite, and they will receive an invite by email to join the board. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more, and consider checking out our website for more information on how Monday.com can help your business at enable.services.